Jai Hind everyone, my name is Cadet Sergeant Rahul Singh Parihar from 7MP Independent Company NCC Shahdol, Jabalpur Group, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh Directorate. I am the proud author of NCC The Untold Story, which I have written along with senior under officer Gaurav Mishra from same unit group and directorate. This book is forwarded by Captain Yogendra Singh Yadav, Paramveer Chakra and Colonel R.K. Sharma sir, who is the recipient of Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, Sena Medal. It is truly an honor for us that such a great legend of our nation given their word over book, which make this book highly decorated and inspirational.
But today, I'm not here to talk about my book. There is something more important that I want to share with you first.
In 1965 and 1971, our brave soldier fought with courage and made sure that the enemy never forgot those battles. But there was one more organization that worked closely with our defense forces and police, and that was National Cadet Corps. During those wars, NCC received a general call and our cadets given various tasks to support and assist our defense forces and police from front lines to duty inside the country. NCC cadets worked shoulder to shoulder with our defense forces and police forces. They were not just given a small job, they performed real duties, showing courage, discipline and true patriotism. Many cadets did such brave work that can never be forgotten. And one such hero was Cadet Sergeant Pratap Singh, Ashok Chakra Class 3, from 10th Punjab Battalion NCC Gurdaspur, currently known as 7th Punjab Battalion NCC Gurdaspur. He showed an act of bravery at Gurdaspur railway station that will always remembered with pride. For that act of bravery, he was awarded Ashok Chakra Class 3, now known as Shaurya Chakra, on 26th of January 1966. Even today, if such a time ever came again, although we pray it never does, the 15 lakh NCC cadet will once again stand beside our army and our defense forces, ready to write another chapter of courage and service to the nation. Because NCC is not just about camps or certificate. It's about this uniform, this spirit and this promise that we can stand for our nation anytime, anywhere. Because once a cadet is always a cadet. And this spirit, this untold story of sacrifice and service is what I have shared in my book, NCC The Untold Story. Before I end, let's remember the words of Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, also known as the Tiger of Rajwar. And the words are, a soldier doesn't die when he is martyred. He dies when he is forgotten. I repeat, he dies when he is forgotten. Thank you and Jai Hind.